They said, I said, I'm supporting Obi. I have no regret to say, Obi is the former governor. If he's coming to River State to campaign, I will give him logistic support. I will give him vehicles. I will give him security. I mean, should I say a former governor, I will not give him vehicles. I will not give him security. I won't do that. I must give him logistic support. And I told him yesterday, look, my brother, let the truth be told. No, not one. Not one. House of Assembly, House of us, you know they. If you didn't they, you know they. You know they. It's not something you should laugh. There's no other party that also. Is there any party here? If you didn't they, the only party you have here is what? People's River State chapter. Not a chapter. That's the only party you have there. That's the only party. If you like, say anything you want to say. They said they will sack me. I've been looking for the day they will sack me. Yendeba, 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 yendeba. Yendeba, yendeba, yendeba. Sack me. Sack me. When they sack me, I prepare you. You know that. Can you not be what?